Hi guys, it's Megan Maria, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create educational videos for kids using Canva and ChatGPT.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow and ensures you never miss out on our latest content. Let's get started.
Okay, so now here we are in ChatGPT, and I said create a 1-minute educational video for kids, and here is the script and the concept for a 1-minute educational video about the importance of healthy eating. So the script can be recorded with animated visuals or using real props with cheerful hosts. So we're going to get those visuals or animated videos inside of Canva. So to do that, first I'm going to show you guys this is the 1-minute video, which is the rainbow plate adventure, and here is the opening. ChatGPT will give you everything you need, from introduction, from narration. So there you go. Here's the host. So if you can record your own voice, well, fine, but if you want to use the AI voiceover, then we can go to 11 Loves, where we can copy and paste this one and create a voice recording. Alright, so now here you go. Here are the cut to visuals of color fruits and veggies appearing on the screen. So we're going to find these fruits inside of Canva later. But before that, we're going to do first the narration or the introduction of this video. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one. We're going to 11 Loves. Okay, if you don't have an account yet, go ahead guys, log in and log into your account using Google and paste here. So here, you can choose the voiceover. There's so many, I clone my voice so I can use my voice. You see my voice here. I can use that, or you can use other, AI voiceover here in the library. Okay, let's generate a speech.
Hi friends, today we're going on a rainbow plate adventure. Are you ready to fill your plates with colorful, healthy foods?
Alright, so I'm good with that. I'm gonna use ratio, or you can use your voice if you want. So let's generate this one. What you're gonna do is, after you finish this one, you just go here at the bottom. You see this arrow and just download it. Okay, so from here we're going to do a video, just a 1 minute, so maybe that's a short video. So what we're gonna do is going to go to video, and I'm going to use this mobile. I'm going to upload the files, which is the file that we created in 11 Loves, the audio, and then just wait for a second, and it's now here, it's uploading. All right, so I'm gonna drag this one over here. Next, we're going to put some images here, and here on the search bar, let's type a rainbow. Let's say rainbow healthy food. Let's say healthy food, so it will give us a lot of healthy food here. I can delete this one. I can use this one. You just you just stretch it out. And if you want to play with that, then let's...
Hi friends, today we're going on a rainbow plate adventure. Are you ready to fill your plates with colorful, healthy foods?
Alright, you can get this one over here just like that. And then I will add another, this one. So you can, make a lot of videos with different visual, while the narration is not finished yet. Okay, so after we finished with that, we're going to another page. We're going back to ChatGPT, and let's see what's the next. Okay, so I'm going to copy all of this, and then I'm going back to 11 Loves and paste it, and let's ask ratio to do the narration. Okay, all right, so now it's already here. All right, so now before we go here, okay, let's find visual for this narration, which is, let's say, apples and tomatoes. So what you're gonna do is just to drag it here. Then we're gonna add a new page. Let's go back to ChatGPT and let's see what's next. Orange foods like carrots give you super sight for your eyes. I'm gonna copy this one, and then let's go back to Canva and let's find here carrots. Okay, so I just see carrots. And I can do half and half. Okay, I can get this one. Okay, and I can put half of carrots here. just like that. You can make your own design, guys. Just be creative, just like that. All right, so there are 2 videos going on here. So once we finish with that, then we're going to download this. To do that, you're going to share and download the MP4 here. There you go. All right, so now once we're done saving, guys, we're going back to Canva. Okay, we're going back to our home, and then we're going to create a video again and going to upload the video that we just downloaded. Okay, so let's go to upload files, and I'm going to upload this video that we just made it. Okay, now here on the text, you will see here down, click the text, and you will see here the hello captions. Just click this one and generate caption. Now you see here it's generating the caption for your video. So it's optional, guys. It's all up to you if you want to put captions or not. So I'm just showing you guys that you can do that. Then you can also arrange your caption, whether you want it to put here or at the top, you know, or in the middle, just like that. So it's all up to you. And then you can change the fonts, you can change the color, you can make this a little bigger. You can change the fonts here if you want, just like that. So that's all for today, guys. That's a short tutorial on how you can create a video using Canva, ChatGPT, and 11 Loves for your shorts video inside of Canva. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope this helps. So if you have any questions, just write down the comments and I'll make sure that I will respond to you as soon as possible. And for those who are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and Happy New Year. Alright, see you next time, guys. Bye for now.